Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Arabian dessert, Basbousa. Wow, it looks yummy and delicious. Look, it's yummy. First, keep a bowl, 1 cup rava, semolina, half cup curd, half cup sugar, 1 egg, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, and mix well. Mix it and do like this. And separate into a bowl. Not a bowl, pan, cake pan. Tap it well. Keep oven 180 Celsius. Celsius 30 minutes. Let's make sugar syrup. Half cup water, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon rose water, and mix it. Let it boil. Boil well. Sugar syrup is ready. Cut it. Cut it like this. Pour the sugar syrup. Pour all the sides also, okay? And some cashew nuts. It's optional. Cashew nut is optional. Basbousa is ready. Wow, delicious basbousa. It's so easy to make. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Assalamu alaikum.